Hi, I'm Gary White for Central Kentucky Television. I'm at the Bardstown Police Department. We're here for the Prescription Drug Take-Back Day. I'm here with two members of the PATH Coalition, which is an organization that's putting this on here today. We have Wilma Sorrell and Joe Armstrong. And then we have somebody who's taken part in the day, too, Rebecca Filiatru, who had dropped off some of the drugs. Tell us what's going on here with the Prescription Drug Take-Back Day.
Well, as you know, having unused and unwanted medications in your cabinet could be, could be setting yourself up to be vulnerable to people who are house hunting or people who are breaking in your home to steal these prescriptions. So the best thing to do is bring them back to one of the drop-off locations, which we are lucky to have one here at Bardstown Police Department, through a grant from Kentucky ASAP and through the PATH Coalition and Partnership for Success 2 funds. We were able to buy prescription drug box that's locked, but the police department has access to put unused or unwanted medications in a bag every day of the week, 24/7. So, and it's secure, and then they have a way of disposing of them properly.
Great. Now, I know you have these drop-off boxes located here at the Bardstown Police Department, but also in Washington County and in Marion County as well. Correct?
Absolutely. Washington and Marion County have their own drop boxes, and all three are located within the city police departments of each county.
And you can drop them off 24 hours a day. But today, it's a special day to kind of bring awareness to this. So you actually brought some of the prescription pills that you had at your house, correct?
Yes.
And it looks like you were able to get rid of a lot of them at one time.
Yes, I did. They had accumulated more than they should have.
Six people, tell him. She has 6 people in her house.
Okay. And a lot with prescriptions, what people don't think about is, you know, they don't sometimes use all that they were given, and so they kind of hang out there, and it's kind of dangerous to reuse those prescriptions later on, even if you're taking the same ones, because they could expire or just lots of things could happen with them, right?
Absolutely. And I also have a high schooler in my house, so, you know, it's really not good to have them in the house because any of them could come in and use them and try to sell them if they're, you know, ADD medicines or that. So this is really a good thing to have, and I really wasn't aware that it was 24/7. So when I spoke with Wilma and she told me this, I jumped on the bandwagon, brought them right in.
Fantastic. So she was able to get rid of all these prescriptions that she didn't need, and you're going to be here for a few hours today and hoping to collect lots of different pills, right?
Yes, sir. 10 to 12 is our time.
10 to 2, Joe.
10 to 2, okay.
So you're going to be around longer than you thought.
I'll have to eat a late dinner, but we'll be glad to do it. Worthwhile.
And it's with the PATH Coalition. You're on the PATH Coalition board as well, correct?
Yes, I'm a treasurer and reporter, co-treasurer and reporter.
Okay, great. And tell us a little about what the PATH Coalition does.
Well, the PATH Coalition was originally set up just like Washington County's Washington County Heartland Youth Coalition to address substance abuse issues in the county that organization was formed in. Over here, it's the PATH Coalition, which means partners. Help me out here.
PATH is actually an acronym. It's PATH, and what's that stand for?
Parents Advocating for Tomorrow's Health. And over the years, we've succeeded in reducing teenage use of drugs, alcohol, and tobacco.
Great. Because it's been around for quite a while, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And we've had a couple of town hall meetings in which we found out an amazing thing that most problem drinkers and users start at age 8.
Wow. Yeah, so PATH's been working on trying to prevent that, and working now on the Prescription Drug Take-Back Day, which is why we're here, but also it's 24 hours a day. You can go to the Bardstown Police Department, Springfield Police Department, or the Lebanon Police Department and drop off your pills at any of the boxes that are available there as well.
Mm-hmm. And Gary, we also today are giving away a $25 gift card that through a grant. That's why I'm so mixed up on my acronyms. Yeah. It's so easy. We have like 15 acronyms in prevention, and that's
like ASAP is actually one of two.
Kentucky Agency for Substance Abuse Prevention. I can rattle them off, but right now I had an issue with that one with the PATH. So anyway, but we're giving away a $25 gift card every half an hour, and then over $100 worth of gift cards at 2 o'clock when this ends. But remember that this never ends. The Bardstown Police Department will take these back every day. So, and it's a safe way to dispose of them because you don't want them being flushed down. Just think, Nelson County has 40 to 50,000 residents. If 40 to 50,000 residents just in Nelson County alone flushed this many, you know, every couple months down their water system, how bad would our water system be, our water supply be? So we need to really think about the environmental impact, and also along with the impact that this is helping to reduce trafficking of illegal obtaining of prescriptions.
Right. And these will eventually be incinerated, correct?
Yes, they will be incinerated. And actually the DEA, Drug Enforcement Agency, they have the protocol that they send to the local police departments who have the drop boxes, and they have the proper protocol on how to properly dispose of those. So once we will turn these over to an officer who is on site right now watching us on the cameras up here. So once we turn these over to him, we have them already secured in these bags that's tamper-proof, and then he will take them in and put those in the lock boxes.
Great. Well, thank you very much. Thank you for taking part. This is a great opportunity for all the residents too, right?
Thank you.
Thank you. All right. I've been talking with Wilma and Rebecca and Joe for the prescription drug take back at the Bardstown Police Department. This is Gary White for Central Kentucky Television.